at the train station.
Good morning. Can I help you? Good morning. Can I have a single ticket to Manchester, please? When do you want to leave? On Sunday, please. Oh, that is 24 pounds, please. What time does the train leave? The train leaves at 5 o'clock. How long does the journey last? The journey lasts there 3 hours. And Basically, what platform is it? It is March platform number 3. Thank you very much. Have a nice journey.